Ladies and gentlemen, my name is R.E.V.A, and I've got a special video for you here. It's basically just how to clean any disc with no budget, pretty much. So I'm going to be using my Blu-ray of Casino Royale here. It's actually kind of difficult to open with one hand because it has a thing on it, because I think it was bundled with some Blu-ray player or maybe even a PS3 at some point. But yeah, back of the disc, there's some fingerprints on it, smudges, but if you can, well, here's a I have two methods actually for cleaning a disc with no budget. First one requires a shirt. This first one is called the blow and rub, and how you do it is basically this: you blow it on you blow onto it, and then you rub it on your shirt. That was just me trying to get it the best you can. That's how you do it basically. The second method is for if the blow and rub doesn't work. Yeah, look how shiny the thing is. The resolution on my phone is actually better than the resolution on the TV I'm going to watch this movie on. So, the second method, if the thing doesn't work, then you just, well, I call it the spit and polish, because what you do is, you get spit and polish, you get a tissue, and oh, sorry for the video being blank. It's just it's kind of hard to film this method. Kind of hard to do it, especially because keep in mind I normally do this stuff with more than one hand. But well, I usually have two hands available, but here I only have one because I have to use one to hold the bloody camera in place. But yeah, so now I think it's looking a good bit better. I think it's looking a lot better actually. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn on my TV and I'm actually gonna watch the film. And as you can see, I'll just turn it on, put the disc in, and you'll be able to see the fucking state it's in. I'm gonna have to get. If you're wondering why I really want a PS5, bada bing, bada boom. Look at that. The dead pixels are nearly at the O on the Sony. And at that point, I'll be going, oh no, I need a new TV. Well, I already needed two new TVs in my house, but yeah, I'll let you know after I'm done watching the movie how my thing went, okay? I'll let you know. So, after 2.5 hours, I got done watching Casino Royale, and yeah, the cleaning methods I used made sure that it worked 100% this time, unlike the first time I watched it, which had some freezing during slower scenes, but even some during some action scenes. But this time, it worked 100%. It works. My methods, like the blow and rub and the spit and the polish, they work a lot better than that fucking JML lens cleaner I used to use years ago. That stuff. In fact, I think that stuff would often scratch up discs worse than like what I did. So I just want to thank you all for watching this informative video on like how to clean a disc on with no budget. Where all you need is a shirt and a tissue. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you always know when I upload a brand new video. Put a comment in the comment section down below to let me know what you thought of the video, and let me know if you've tried these methods before. Follow me on Twitch, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Steam. Just want to thank you all once again for watching this video on how to clean or fix a disc with no money at all.